Hi everyone, this is Azadeh. Today I'm going to explain about some applications of Project Libre. Uh, the main purpose is WBS, the resources, and the application of Gantt chart, bar chart over here. I named my project number 1. Now I want to assign some tasks. I just now named them task number 1, 2, and 3. Well, now I'm gonna break each task to some subtasks. For this aim, we can just come here and choose insert, or we can right click and choose a new row. Okay. I'm gonna call them task 1 and task 1 2. Well, can I divide it to a more task, or well, yes, why not? For task one, number one, and one. Okay, now I'm gonna change the duration to 3, 5, whatever I want. Okay, now as you can see the software, you can see that all these tasks are the same thing as some separate tasks, and there's no relation or relationship or link between these tasks yet. So what we can do, well, it's so easy. Just come here and drag all subtasks that start with 1. These task 1 to task number 1, and choose indent like that. And there is some subsets for task 1, so I can do the same over here. And I can fold in and fold out whenever I want. And as you can see, there is a different categories assigned over here. And as you can see, it shows the duration for the main task that which are pulled over here. Shows the longest duration in this period, which is wrong because all these tasks started at the same day and it's not possible. It doesn't make sense. So this should be a sequence. For making a sequence, well, let me fold it in. It's easier to see and understand. For one task to start after task 1 is done. For this aim, we just come here. There's an option. It's called predecessors. We come here and we just start from here. When task 1 with the number 1 is done, task 2 should be start. So we should insert number 1. And the number of task 2 over here is 6. So it should be task number 3 should be start when task 2 is done. So just insert number 6. That's it. And same as here over here. It should be 2. And it should be 3. Well, just put number 2 over here, but as you can see there's an error. It doesn't make sense because now we break task 1 some subtasks. So our project should be started from this point over here, not here, because we already just broke it, the smaller pieces. And if I zoom out, you can see all the categories over here, and we can link from one category to another one manually. Like this is signed over here. Or there's another way. We can just drag all these elements and just one and choose the link. Exactly the same. Okay, now that There's a sequence in order for our task. We can see the duration change. Now it shows from start date to the end date. Or we could do it manually from here. The start date is here. We can change it. That's a better way. Well, there's another option over here. It's called resource. You should come to the resource part and choose this chart. I already sent some people some resources in this part. The type of the job can be work, and it can be paid based on hours, or it can be natural, which is not based on hours anymore because it's hours stable. Insert 100, for example, here. I assume this is wage per hour, and they can work full time or part time, whatever we want, and that's it. So we try to memorize these names and go back to task and again to chart again. We want to assign these tasks to some resources. We just need to start from here, just insert the names, and as you can see over here, the name shows next to the bar. And sometimes two people can be responsible for one task. It's easy, just put those names in one area, and so on. Okay. Well, now we have the duration and resources, so it's easy to estimate the cost. Okay, we want to make and add a new column. It's easy, just click right, insert a column, and as for its name, we can call it cost. I just want to remove it here and try to have everything in one page. Okay. Now we have the cost for all steps in our project. You can come here and save baseline for entire project. Okay. Now the main part, we can go check the WBS. The main purpose of making this chart is making a WBS, the work breakdown structure, as you can see over here, and you can see that the cost and budget are the same because we just save the baseline for this. But sometimes some unpredictable things happen in our project. For example, the duration change, or we want to change the resources, add or delete some part. Okay, and if we go back to WBS, you can see that the cost and budget and so far that we made changes, it's not the same, not anymore. Okay, this was just a small application of this software, and I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for your attention.